Audio Jungle.
Feel me.
So, there are so many elements in the periodic table, and out of those elements, I have chosen only one, and that is boron. So, what is boron? Have you ever done the laundry and wondered what was in a detergent you use? Or if you watch a rocket launch into space, have you wondered how it can even pass the Earth? So, the answer of those questions is boron. So, I'm Joanna maybe Tamayo from BSMB. We're going to introduce to you what boron really is.
Boron is a classified metalloid element and its symbol is B. Boron is the fifth element of the periodic table, so its atomic number is 5. The atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons and electrons in that element. Therefore, a boron atom has 5 protons and 5 electrons. The number of neutrons in an atom can be determined by the difference between the atomic mass and the number of protons. The difference between the mass number of the boron atom and the number of protons is 6. Therefore, a boron atom has 6 neutrons. The number of neutrons depends on the isotopes of the element. The boron atom has 2 stable isotopes.
Properties of boron.
So these are the properties of boron. Elemental boron is rare and poorly studied because the material is extremely difficult to prepare. Most studies on boron involve samples that contain small amounts of carbon. Crystalline boron is chemically inert and resistant to attack by boiling hydrofluoric or hydrochloric acid. The rate of oxidation of boron depends upon the crystallinity, particle size, purity, and temperature. Boron does not react with air at room temperature, but at higher temperatures, it burns to form boron trioxide. So these are the people who discovered boron. In 1808, Sir Humphrey Davy in France discovered this element when he reacted boric acid with potassium. At the same time, Joseph Louis Gay-Lussac and L.J. Ternard also discovered boron as well in Paris. Boron is a very functional element that can be used as something simple like eye drops or used for something as complex as an engine igniter for rockets. Boron is often in the form of powder substance or in the form of a crystal. You cannot find boron in nature unless it's in another compound such as borax.